bigger, harder, firmer, longer. These are all ways to describe a man's ideal penis. Whether it's locker room competitions or male porn star comparisons, some men just aren't happy with the size of their schlong. This fixation is reaching such heights that cosmetic procedures for men in the UK have increased over 200% over the last decade alone. Penis size has become a big deal. So it begs the question, what can a man do to make his penis bigger? Here are some options that may be the answer. The Pshot. The Priapus Pshot, or Dr. Charles Runels created Pshot for short. It takes under 20 minutes to do, only requires a local anesthetic, and is virtually painless. The procedure starts with removing blood from the patient. It's then spun through a centrifuge to produce platelet-rich plasma, which has growth factors. The blood is then injected to the penis as a few special places and boom, you're done. The Pshot is reported to increase penis size by between 10 and 20% and increase blood flow, which results in a harder erection. The growth factors that are injected into the penis grow new tissue and blood vessels, therefore making the penis bigger and harder. This procedure has no downtime, and cost usually begins around $2,000. Scrotox. No, it's not Skrillex's long-lost brother, it's something to make your balls bigger. This procedure entails shooting Botox into the scrotum. Under $1,000 to do, it's a procedure that makes the testicles look fuller. Besides looking bigger, it keeps them from sweating since it pulls them closer to the skin, and it makes the entire area look younger since it peps them up instead of letting them sag. How does it help penis size? The balls kind of prop the penis up and energetic look instead of the old man droop. Scrotox only lasts about 4 months, so if a man wants to keep his youthful balls, he'll need to have a couple of shots each year. The penis implant. There are 2 kinds of penis implants. One penis implant is for men with erectile dysfunction, and the other is strictly for aesthetic purposes. Here, we'll focus on the aesthetic only. The implant has been around since 2003. However, not everyone can get the implant. If a man has diabetes, takes a blood thinner, or is uncircumcised, the implant option is out. The penis implant is also still in trials and awaiting FDA approval, so if a man wants to get it, he'll need to head to Cali and see the doctor who invented it. What is it? The implant is a silicone sheath that wraps around the shaft of the penis to make it 2.5 to 4 centimeters wider and longer. Once approved, it's expected to be the next big thing in plastic surgery. This surgery, right now, will set you back about 10 Gs, but it has a 95% success rate. You make the call. Penis care. No matter what a man's penis size, he needs to take special care of his penis, so it remains healthy, strong, and sensitive until he hits the pearly gates. That's why all men should use a specially formulated penis health creme. Health professionals recommend Man 1 Man Oil, which has been clinically proven safe and mild for skin, daily to keep their favorite appendage in tip-top shape. Full of vitamins and nutrients like vitamin C and arginine, this creme boosts blood flow for harder, stronger erections. It also keeps skin smooth and silky with shea butter and vitamin E. It's the perfect way to take care of the penis no matter what the size. Visit www.menshealthfirst.com for more information about treating common penis health problems, including soreness, redness, and loss of penis sensation. John Duggan is a professional writer who specializes in men's health issues and is an ongoing contributing writer to numerous online websites.